It is now nighttime. The hotel is right behind me. It's also my last night here in Cyprus before I head to Armenia. I always wanted to do like a little nightlife video, but it's very tricky to film because of the copyright issues in the background with the music and the loudness, and also because it's dark, the footage doesn't come out as properly. So I'm gonna do my best, see what we can pull off today, because I really wanted to show you the nightlife here. I don't know what it is. I'm going to explore it with you guys. It's my first night in Larnaca because I will be flying from the airport here. That's why I came here for one day, one night. So we will go together. There is an area that has all the pubs, I think. That's what I figured from the map. So I'm going to walk there next to the seashore boardwalk and get to that place and then see what's happening. Also, let's all keep in mind while this whole thing is happening that it's a Monday. So I don't know how that's gonna play a role in how lively it will be. There's already a shisha bar behind me. I'm finding out that shisha bars are very, very popular in Cyprus. So that's not what we're doing today. We're gonna go more to a little bit, like it's about 10-minute walk from where I'm staying. As you guys are watching this segment of the video, please let me know. Oh my god, I just stepped in one of those tiles that are loaded with water under it, and then you step on it and just the water splashes. I'm sure I'm gonna see some of those in Armenia, so I guess it's warming me up to it. What was I saying? I forgot. Okay, yeah, so let me know as you're watching this segment if you enjoy it, if you're enjoying this type of video, and if you do, then I will plan to film a nightlife type video for Armenia when I get there. I straightened out my hair to be cute for a night out with you guys, but this humidity in this city is insane. But you know what, I appreciate being next to the beach, so no complaints, but this might not last. Okay, now I'm gonna flip my camera. We're not yet at the bars area. Maybe I don't know, where should I walk from? Okay, I'll walk from this side. That's the beach over there. So right now these are just the restaurants and the cafes that are right in front of the beach. So it still looks like there's, oh my god, I should really watch where I'm walking while I'm filming. It looks like there's still people out. It's 9 p.m. on a Monday. I do have to wake up early tomorrow for my flight, so that's why we're going out at 9 p.m. And I'm seeing a lot of tourists here, obviously because of the beach, compared to Nicosia, so maybe that's why it doesn't matter that it's a Monday. So then we see the sign. Restaurants, pubs. And this is where I turn. It looks like we're about to pass by like the kitchens and everything of the pubs. Okay, this one looks cool. Gives me Kalume vibes. Okay, we'll check them out in a bit. Yay, there's people. This is another one. There's one here. This one looks like it's closed. Something the guy at the hotel told me that some things are closed on a Monday, so maybe that's why. There's another one over there. I hope you guys can see me from the darkness. This is also super cool. Hello. They're really nice. Let me try. Okay, I'll put my camera. There's more on that side. Oh, there's one at the top over there. A little balcony one. As I walked though, what is happening? My camera's drunk. As I'm walking through here, let me also mention that in Nicosia, actually, there was a really fun nightlife. I went out on a Saturday, and there are a few streets next to Freedom Square that has all pubs. There's even like one that's a rooftop one that really reminds me of the Opera Suite one in Yerevan at the top. I think this is it, actually. This is also cute. They all kind of looked very similar in my opinion, so I think I'm gonna go to the one, maybe I should just turn around from here. I think I'm gonna go to the one that had like the big patio in the middle. I'm just making sure I'm not missing any on this side. There's some restaurants there. There's nothing here. Okay, I'm gonna go to that one with the large patio. Even though the rooftop one looks cute too. But I think that might belong to the hotel, this Nine Muses Hotel. And it looks a tiny bit fancy for my budget. Also, yeah, speaking of that, food and drinks here are pretty expensive, like specifically cocktails. They go from like the cheapest one that I found so far was like 8 euros. They go like 9 euros is very normal for a cocktail that has like pineapple juice and a couple of other things in it. So I don't know, maybe it's because it's a touristic place. I don't know. So we're back to the dark. Oh, this looks like a cute burger place. So Stone Age is the one that's closed. Let's check what's there. It's much more calmer here. I think this is also closed. Yeah, it's closed. But you know, don't use this as a benchmark because again, it's a Monday, it's 9 p.m. Maybe a little bit later, or maybe tomorrow it will be much livelier. Couple of names for bars that I really enjoyed in Nicosia is, so the one I was mentioning about the rooftop, it's called Balsa. So I couldn't get in because I didn't have a reservation, but then I ended up going to Seven Monkeys, which is super close by, and they had amazing wings and fries and really, really nice music and atmosphere. Then I went to this place called Lost and Found, which was like about 10-minute walk from there, and apparently that one is listed as the top 50 bars in the world, and it was really fun. They had a dancing area, so check those one out if you're in Nicosia and you're looking for a night out. Let me just flip my camera here, let's check it out. So this is Savino Rock Bar. There's one more bright one over there. I think that's just one of the cafes of the beach. Okay, even though I'm not like a huge rock person, but since everyone's here, I guess this is where I'll settle and check it out. I hope you guys can hear me. They brought me 2 coasters. Anyway, I'm here by myself, so the second one is for you guys, I guess. Oh my god, this music is so loud, or am I just getting older? I got the local Cypriot beer. I haven't tried it yet. It's this brand Keo. I don't know how it's pronounced, so we'll taste it together. I changed my seat. I hope it's a little bit better here. So they brought me this bag. I think I know what this is because if it is what it is, it is. It's, let me hold my camera. Everywhere in Cyprus, every single bar that I've gone to, whenever you sit down, they bring you either a bowl of popcorn or in this case, a bag of popcorn, which I think is a super cool touch, and I also love popcorn, so yay. Okay, the beer is here, let's try it together. This is huge. It says the name on it. And this is why I never filmed a night video before. Cheers, Genats. Okay, I think if I stayed here longer, this would have turned into my Kotay Gold version. It's very light IPA, I don't know what it's called, but it's very light and easy to drink. I mean, also check out the food menu since I'm here. I ordered the Jack Daniel wings. Let's see how they are. I love chicken wings, but I'm also very specific with my chicken wings. What was I going to say to you guys? Oh yes, I was going to ask your opinion. So basically what I was thinking, if I were to do a nightlife video for Armenia, I would do like different categories. I would do like top 5 wine bars to go to, and then I would go visit those places, and then like dancing bars, I don't know, other types of bars, things like that. So do you guys like that idea? And if yes, what type of categories do you guys want me to cover? So it would be like a full episode just on these types of like going out night places. Let me know what you think. My chicken wings are here, and it seems like in this bar they have a theme. They bring everything in a brown bag. So first he put it on the table. I wasn't sure if it was mine or if this was like a takeaway order for someone that he just ended up putting on my table. So my microphone is about to battery end because if you guys have seen my other episodes, apparently the plugs here are not the plugs I have with me. So I am charging everything with a very, like they have a turn. So anyway, let's open the chicken wings. Coming here from France, where they're very environmentally conscious about everything, this feels odd that they're bringing things in a takeaway bag for people who are sitting here. Anyway, again, maybe just warming me up for Armenia, where they give you 2 straws with every drink you order. I don't know how to open this. Okay, let me open it and I'll be right back. Okay, the way it looks good. It smells good. So these are the Jack Daniel's wings. I'll have one with you guys to taste it. Oh, it's actually much better than I expected. Okay, I'm happy about this. So before my microphone dies, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for coming to Cyprus with me. I really enjoyed exploring everything with you guys. I hope you enjoyed the episodes. Let me know your thoughts. Have you been to Cyprus? Where are you watching from? And yeah, let's get to know each other in the comments. Thank you so much again. Bye. That moment when they're playing System of a Down. When angels listen to die. Also, I have an important question for you guys. What type of chicken wings do you guys like? The flat ones or the drumstick looking ones? This was a very important question I forgot to ask. Wake up.